From lush orchards at dawn to precision-controlled kettles and gentle syrup baths, we follow each rambutan through sorting, peeling, soaking, and sealing. Every step protects its natural sweetness and texture until bright jars of lightly syruped rambutan leave the factory, ready to delight taste-conscious families in modern kitchens everywhere today. At the orchard, our journey begins by selecting Rambutan at the ideal ripeness, with firm skins, no cracks, and no signs of pests. Workers gently harvest each cluster with pruning shears, keeping the fruit off the ground. Damaged, undersized, or overripe pieces are removed. The fresh rambutans are then rested in shaded, well-ventilated areas, allowing the fruit to cool naturally and stabilize, preserving texture, color, and delicate sweetness for the next processing stage, before they travel onward to the factory. Once fruit is stabilized, it is carefully loaded into food-grade crates or cartons lined with clean film. Each layer is arranged lightly, never compressed, to protect the delicate skin. Clear batch labels record harvest date, growing area, and traceability code. The rambutan travels in clean, dry vehicles with gentle airflow or light cooling. Shocks and sudden movements are minimized, so the fruit arrives at the factory fresh, intact, and ready for controlled, hygienic processing. This journey maintains quality and consistency. At the factory, the freshly delivered rambutan is gently unloaded and transferred onto stainless steel tables and moving belts. Here, staff visually assess color, freshness, aroma, and defect rate, while samples are taken and batch data recorded. The fruit is then carefully graded one final time, ensuring only sound, high-quality pieces continue into the main processing line. Before any cutting begins, the Rambutan passes through a dedicated washing and sanitizing area. First, rotating sprays of clean water and gentle agitation remove leaves, dust, and surface soil. The fruit then moves into a controlled sanitizing step using food-grade conditions, helping to reduce surface microorganisms. Finally, it is rinsed again with fresh water and allowed to drain on stainless steel screens. So each piece enters the next stage, visibly clean and microbiologically safer. After washing, the Rambutan moves to the peeling and coring area. Skilled operators or dedicated tools open the skin along the natural lines, separate the juicy flesh, and carefully remove the inner seed. Each piece is checked for remaining shell, seed fragments, or tears in the flesh, with any damaged or misshapen segments removed from the batch. This ensures clean, uniform Rambutan pieces ready for gentle syrup preparation and helps protect texture during later heating steps. Prepared Rambutan flesh now enters a controlled heating step. Gentle warming in clean vessels helps set the texture, reduce surface microbes, and ready the fruit for soaking. In parallel, a light soaking liquid is mixed from purified water and carefully measured sweeteners, adjusted to mild sweetness. Both temperature and time are monitored, ensuring stability before the fruit meets the syrup. Once the fruit and light-soaking liquid are ready, they flow into hygienic filling lines. Each container is accurately filled with Rambutan and syrup, then sealed to protect against air and outside contamination. The closed cans move into a heat treatment step, where time and temperature are carefully controlled. After cooling, surfaces are dried, batches are coated, and external checks confirm seams, clarity, and flavor, before finished products are packed and released to the market.